Hello, my name is Lance Smith, and I've been with the Crypto Code over a year now. Three words I'd use to describe the Crypto Code: innovative, creative, and inspiring. What I like best about the Crypto Code and how they stand out and are different from other companies similar to this is there's a personal touch there. I'm obviously I'm a longtime friend of Joel's, and that helps me. I know some of you haven't known Joel that long, but I knew him clear back in middle school and junior high, and he's a great guy, and I know he's not gonna lead me astray, and so that's helped me personally. But I know, as far as him working with others, I've seen him work with others. I've seen him. They're always putting out updates. They're always working very hard to make things progress and move forward. Obviously, things are changing all the time, so we have to adjust with that, and they're staying on top of it and continue to work. My biggest win or success in the program, back when we were doing predictions bot, we went from $90 to $900 in just over a week, so that was pretty exciting as my son and I were working that. Now we've moved over to Waybots, and we're working, trying to get those up and running and rolling with those. I would recommend the Crypto Code for anyone who's interested in cryptocurrency, wanting to learn more. There's so much information, and once again, they're always updating it and helping us stay on top of the market, stay on top of what's happening.